Hi, I'm Dr. Cohen, Dr. Andrew Cohen in Southampton, New York. I'm a pediatric and family chiropractor. From age 19 through 27, I worked with what was called developmentally disabled people and mostly with autistic adults. I worked in group homes. We provided speech, recreation, activities of daily living. We went on trips, basically day-to-day stuff. These guys, they all had something happened along the way. It could have been genetic. Some of them had cerebral palsy, some had spina bifida. Some were put in institutions back in the 60s before people really knew what to do, and it was pretty inappropriate to put them there. So it was really a wide range of folks. But one thing was in common, and the common thing was that they had something happened to their nervous system. I mean, they had some damage to their nervous system. It could have been genetic, could have been from toxins, something might have happened in the womb. Maybe they had a reaction to a vaccine or a medication, I don't know. But the fact is that they all had some damage to their nervous system, and there was nothing I could do about that. I just did my job and tried to make it as fun as possible for them. It was really quite rewarding. Now, as a chiropractor, I get to correct nerve system damage every day, really for everyone in my practice, but I have a special feeling, special love for taking care of special needs kids and seeing these kids, because some of the damage to their nervous system actually can be corrected. In other words, they can have improvements. You might have a child that has difficulty with speech, suddenly improving their speech. Others might finally make a connection to their bodies and not wet their beds anymore, or become continent. For others, they may be calmer or make eye contact with their parents for the first time. So there are lots of improvements available for these kids, and as a chiropractor, I get to directly intervene. Many people don't realize that birth trauma can affect the brain directly through the upper part of the neck. When that area of the spine, when there's misalignments of the bones there, it creates stress on the nervous system directly to the brain. It creates a stress response in the body, which involves inflammation throughout the body. It decreases the function of the immune system. A lot of these kids have also low functioning immune systems, digestive issues, frequent ear infections. They end up on medications a lot. So there's so much impact that having a cleared out nervous system and from a pediatric chiropractic standpoint can have on these children. And there's nothing I love more than seeing these kids starting to regain their health and expressing more. And there's nothing better for a parent to have some of that burden relieved. And I'm not talking about the kids being a burden. I'm just talking about the health aspect of it. To have your child look you in the eye more effectively, or to start talking or making more contact. That's huge for a parent, for any parent. So if you know special needs kids, I'd love to reach them and I'd love to take care of them. So please, if you live locally and you know some of these kids, let them know. Let them know that there is some help out there, and we could do something about that. That's it. Have a great day, and thank you for hearing my message.